Welcome to part 2 of the video, where I will tell you about the most selling hinges designed by ProLam. Adjustable aluminum hinges. We also have aluminum hinges A105/55 and A80/110, available in two versions, standard and adjustable in 3 directions. Adjustable zamak hinge. Then there is the Z95/50, an adjustable zamak hinge. It also can be adjusted horizontally, in depth and vertically. Handle hinges. Finally, the N80/80 DF, a nylon hinge that also works as a handle. There is also another model, the NZ90/80, made of zamak and nylon. With both, you can open the door from either the left or right side and also completely remove the panel. Both are adjustable and equipped with a locking button or lever, ideal for applications with positive pressure inside the machine. These are just some of our models. At ProLam, we also can offer customizable solutions tailored for your needs. If you want to learn more, you can easily find all the details in our website or in our catalog. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye. ProLam, the system for your great ideas.